Good morning. We are on the Highline Trail today. We're about a mile into it. We got the last parking spot this morning at 7:57 at the Logan's Pass trailhead. So we're really excited to be doing this hike. It is going to be 15 miles out and back. We're going to go up to the Grinnell Glacier Overlook. And right now we got an incredible morning view. Let's go check out the Highline. We're in a really cool rock ledge spot. We've been hiking for about 50 minutes now and still following the road. Got a little bit of smoke coming in, so hopefully that will stay at bay. So we just passed mile 3 and we went through this awesome big boulder field, and we're about to start ascending up the hill there. So far the trail has been pretty much flat the whole way, so this is our first up of the whole hike, and let's see, that's at 3.2 miles. Starting to head up. All right, we had about a half a mile of up, and now we're at this beautiful viewpoint, having a little snack and enjoying the mountains. We're coming up on mile 4.5. Beautiful views right here. mile 5.7, And we are now traversing the Highline with Lake McDonald in the background. It's really beautiful. This is much more open valley, so you have views for miles and miles. Let's check out the view from mile 5.6. Mile 7, and we are at the junction where the Highline Trail and the Grinnell Glacier Lookout Trail merge. So we are going to head up to the top and check out the Grinnell Glacier Overlook. Only adds on 1.8 miles, but you have over 1,000 feet vertical, so it's going to be a tough ascent, but let's go check it out. This hill is no joke. I am really out of breath, and we've been here hiking in the park for a whole week, so I've been feeling really strong. But right now, I feel like an amateur.